Man, it's a big fish. Oh, wow. Yeah, we got a big fish on, everybody. He is pulling me around. Anglers worldwide, I'm Jabroni Joe, so you already know I am back with another show. And in today's video, guys, we are doing what we do every video, baby. We are going fishing. Real quick before we get on the water, as a reminder, we are giving away a big box of tackle to celebrate 150 subscribers. So if you have not watched that video, be sure to go back and do that so that you can get yourself entered into that giveaway to possibly win. And thank you to everyone who has commented so far to get themselves entered. We will be selecting the winner of that giveaway in the next video, so be sure to stay tuned for that, guys. The weather is still slowly cooling down in Oklahoma. We're now getting pretty regular temperatures in the mid-70s throughout the day. We're finally starting to get some precipitation, so hopefully we will finally start getting on some big fish with that fall transition here soon. But for right now, let's just get on the water and see what goes on today. Man, it's a big fish. Oh, wow. Yeah, we got a big fish on, everybody. He is pulling me around. Oh my God. There we go. Oh, that's a big fish. And I think I got him a little deep. Oh, man. Look at that baby. Whew. Oh, yeah, that jig is way down in there. Oh, beautiful fish, guys. Beautiful fish. This one's not going to break my PB, so I'm going to get him back in the water since he's a little bit on the bloody side. Oh, beautiful fish. Oh, fish on. Little guy. There we go. Fish number 2. Quite a bit smaller than our first fish, but that's all right. Fish on. Ah, dang it. Fish on. Oh, whoa, that feels like a good fish. wow, man, yeah, that's a good fish. Pulling me around, pulling me around. Whoo! Another beautiful fish. This guy hooked right though. Boom. Maybe not as big as the first one, right in the corner of the mouth. Look at that, guys. Right in the corner of that mouth with that bubble butt. Oh, beautiful, beautiful fish. Let's get this guy back in the water. There he goes. There we go. There's another fish. Okay, pull some drag, buddy. Oh, that's another pretty decent fish, I think. Not very big, but he fought like a champ. There we go, guys. Another beautiful fish right in the corner of the mouth on that bubble butt worm. There we go. Beautiful.
The next morning.
Alrighty, guys. It is the next morning since I caught those last fish. And unfortunately, last night ended in a pretty bad way. I was fishing from the bank just the last few casts after I put my kayak away, and I was walking around with no shoes on, and I stubbed my pinky toe on a rock really hard, and I immediately went back to my car because it was dark so I could get the light on and assess the damage. And well, I kind of broke my toe. My pinky toe on my right foot was about 2 inches off to the right from where it should be. So I had to smack it and set it back in place myself right then and there. And yeah, here's a look at the damage, everyone. Just one day later, it hasn't even been a full 24 hours, and it's already starting to turn purple, and it's swollen. Yeah, that definitely sucks. So to answer the questions you guys probably have right now, yes, it does hurt. Is it unbearable? No, not at all. Did I go to a hospital? No. When you break a toe, the best they can do is set it back in place and send you on your way. There's no casts or anything that they can give you for a broken toe. This is my first broken bone, but I am thankful it was a toe, so all I had to do was set it back in place, and I know that it's set back in place because I can move it to some extent. It's just very swollen right now. But yeah, I set it back in place. I did not go to a hospital. I am going to monitor it over the next few days. If it gets any worse, if I continue to lose feeling or anything like that, or if it spreads anymore, then I will go and seek medical attention to see if anything worse might have happened. And I definitely learned a big lesson from this. I'm always going to wear shoes when I am out fishing, no matter how free being shoeless makes me feel. It's just the safer option if I have some type of shoes on. Truth be told, the only thing that really upsets me about this entire situation is that I won't be able to deadlift for 6 to 8 weeks. With a broken toe, I won't be able to plant my feet properly to get the balance that I need to deadlift heavy like I like to do. So yeah, that kind of sucks. I'm gonna have some really not so great leg workouts for the next few weeks, but it is what it is. It is definitely not going to stop me from getting on the water and doing some fishing, though. It may take me a little longer to get the kayak launched. It may take me a little while longer to get around the bank, but I am still going to be fishing with this broken toe. I just have to be a little bit more careful now that I have it. Anyway, guys, that's enough jaw-jacking out of me about my broken toe. I am ready to get back out on the water and catch some more fish because it seems like the big boys are finally starting to come out and bite. We caught some really nice fish last night. We still have a few days left in this week, so let's go out and get on some more fish. I'll check you guys on the water. Alrighty, guys, back on the water. Broken toe and all. Oh man, that thing looks ugly. fish on. Feels like a decent fish. Oh, he's got me hooked up over by this snag. There we go. I think I'm getting him off of it. He's hooked on this rope. I can see him here on this rope. Nope, I'm gonna get you, buddy. Hooked on the rope. Tried to drag me into a snag to get away. Did not work. There we go. Come here. Ah, got him off of there. Beautiful fish. Get that jig off of him. Awesome. Let's go see if there's more. Fish on. Oh, he's fighting for sure. He's pulling. Stop jumping. There. First cast on the bubble butt worm, and he went right for it. There we go. The bubble butt worm. That hook right there in the corner of the mouth. Another beautiful fish. It's even bigger than the last one. Oh yeah, guys, these fish are starting to eat for the fall. They're fattening up. Fish on. Feels like a good fish. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Oh man, he's pulling me around. There we go. Fish number 3. This is a good one. There we go. Oh, long fish. He'll go for 2 or 3 pounds for sure. Bubble butt worm right there. Corner of the lip again. Oh, guys, look at that. Beautiful freaking fish. Absolutely stunning. Very long fish. Alright, let's get him back in the water. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, that was a wacky catch, guys. My reel slipped while I was trying to set the hook, and that... Whew. Little guy, but man, is he pissed. Right there in the nose. Little dinky guy, but I will take him. Man, this worm is holding up so good. I've caught like 3 fish, I think, on it so far. So, and they have fought it like really hard. And it is staying on the hook well. It's not messed up. Still catching fish. I usually don't throw worms, but These bubble butts from 13 Fishing have been doing really good for me. Alrighty anglers, we ended up having a pretty awesome week on the water. We got on quite a few fish, we got on some big fish, and I have proven that even if I am going to be broken toe Joe for the next few weeks, that's not going to keep me from getting out on the water and getting on those fall fatties throughout the next few months. I believe that is going to wrap up all of today's video, guys, so be sure to go back to the last video and get yourself entered into the 150 subscriber giveaway so that you can have a chance to win that big box of tackle. We are selecting the winner next video, so be sure to stay tuned for that video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to smash that like button, body slam a comment into the comment section, let me know what you thought of today's action, and as always, if you are not already, you got to super kick subscribe and ring that bell so that you can be notified every single time Jabroni Joe uploads a new video. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one, and as always, if it ain't Joe, it's got to go. Angler out.